Alright, I am here taking a look at this ice maker to see where the water is coming from that's leaking on the floor. Now, I do see that it's leaking. There's a little water right there. I pulled it out. Customer pulled it out from the cabinet there. So I take this front plate off and I notice water sitting right in this front plate here, but no signs that it's a lot of water to where it's leaking down. No sign of leak under here. This is the inlet valve assembly. There's no leak under here. This is the condenser coil. This doesn't leak. So the only place water comes from is the inlet valve here, which is not leaking. This water that's along here, it's right under the door. So look like little moisture got down here or something. And kind of leaked there. Little water droplet. This is just a cover plate that goes over there. But where is this water coming from? It's strange. This thing goes right under the door like that. And I see water here. So I'm thinking that somehow maybe an ice cube or something had fell here, and that's what probably had melted. Can you see the space here is open? You see where the gaskets stop there. See? But then below it's just nothing, straight down to under here. And here is not wet right now. It's dry. So the only way that this little moisture or water could got right here, you see it, is if a piece of ice cube or something had accidentally probably slipped out, dropped here. That's what it got the water there. So we need to slide that back on right there. That's how that goes for a minute. You could see, yeah, it's the only way water could get there. Piece of ice fell right there. So let's look in the back now to see how is the water accumulating. So this thing was in. Customer just pull it out, but you could actually see the water, and you see this big rust spot that the unit create, and water running down a little bit here. So this is wet. It is water. Question is, where is it coming from? Customer pull the machine out, it drags the water there. So it is somewhere, I would say, maybe 12 inches from the back of the machine, maybe about 12 inches. So it's leaking right here. Right actually under the compressor. Now looking under here, look at that. So that was right there. So it would seem like There is nothing under the base for it to leak. I gotta tilt it and look because it looks like it's dripping right under the compressor, which is weird. Holy fuck. Look at that. Needs a whole new compressor assembly. Is this actually... Alright, so I lift the unit up and look under it and...
Finding anything?
Almost. Almost.
If you need my help, let me know.
Oh, you're perfect. Thank you.
I seem to think I'm perfect. My husband.
Yeah, you... Look at that. Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So I done turned an investigator on it because... Alright, so found a leak. It is coming from, this is the heat exchanger, and what happened is when the heat exchanger gets cold, it condensate, and you could see where it comes, just running at an angle. So the drip point for the water is actually right here, and then it drips on the compressor, runs down, and then get under the bottom of the compressor. And there you go. Look at that. So that's the issue. Manufacturer design defect. Unit was designed to fail. And it's only 2 years old, which is just ridiculous. Wow.